When this issue came up, you were then the Minister for Agriculture in the Kibaki government. This matter came before your desk. You are very well aware of the facts of this case. Then, fortunately, you became the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. I am very sure you are aware of the facts therein of this case. What we want to ask you as a people and as a community, that for 30 years, none of us here from Miwani has benefited from this mill. But we are asking you, because we have talked to every other single leader, every government official, we are inviting you, just like you went to Mumias, to come down to Miwani, to talk to the people of Miwani.
The President, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, President and Commander-in-Chief of the Republic of Kenya, 26th of January 2024. Dear Sir, repetition on Miwani land based on exclusion from leasing advertisements as a result of court cases in quotes. Our attention has been drawn to the above matter and a press release from the Ministry of Agriculture on the 25th of January 2024. Of particulars concerned to us is the exclusion of the above factory from the leasing program alongside Muhoroni, Chemelil, Soni and Zoya on account of ongoing court cases. We avert that we hold a lot of background information about this land case, and I would like to dispute the ownership to Grossly Holding Limited in the strongest term possible. It is our considered position that several material facts and backgrounds have not been properly represented or has been ignored in coming up with Grossly Holding Limited as the owner of the land. It is against this background that we petition you to urgently invoke the Mambo ni Matatu slogan, the issue of Miwani land ownership issue based on the material facts held by the community and the facts held by your office, some as indicated here under.